Look at this wallet. I made $600,000 in the past month with meme coins. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because I'm revealing the entire blueprint. Now, if you don't know, every coin on the blockchain, especially on Dex Screener, eventually gets rug pulled. For example, this coin dropped tremendously. It got rug pulled. This one too. Rugged so hard. The dev made a ton of money. You have to stop trading meme coins and start creating them. When you create your own, you're in full control. You can make money on demand and walk away with thousands. That's exactly why I'm teaching you how to launch your own coin. Once your coin reaches a high enough market cap, just remove the liquidity and cash out. But remember, this is for educational purposes only. Don't copy me. I'm just showing you how it works. The first step is to create and launch your coin. Go to launchtokens.fun. That's where everything starts. Here, you'll enter your token name, symbol, and image. If Elon Musk or Trump tweets something, you can react fast and launch a coin. No coding needed. It'll launch on the Raydium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is oversaturated. It doesn't work anymore. That's why you need to use launchtokens.fun. And if you're lazy like me and don't want to market your coin, there's a copy trending coins feature. You can duplicate any trending coin that's pumping right now on Pump.Fun. These coins already have hype, so when you list them again on RamDex, buyers will come automatically. This coin caught my attention. 720 replies and a $40,000 market cap. I'm creating it. First, connect your wallet. Once it's connected, click Create Coin. A warning might pop up. That's normal. Just skip it and confirm. Now your coin is being created. Once done, copy your token address and click Create Liquidity Pool. Your SLB is already selected. Click Max to give away 1 billion tokens to the public. This is the liquidity you're adding using your own money, but you're not really losing it because you're the first buyer. You have nothing to lose. I usually add between 0.3 and 1 SOL. I'll do 0.5 SOL this time. That's what I'm comfortable with. Click Create Pool. By the way, if you don't have the funds to create your own coin, just join my Telegram group. I do a 1 SOL giveaway every day. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comments. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now click Refresh. It popped up. You're already 20% in profit. Click Join Photon, and boom, your coin is live. It has been pumping a lot already. Now just wait for buyers. It dipped a bit, but don't worry. Let the initial traction kick in. Okay, it's pumping now. I'm gonna wait for at least 5 minutes before removing the liquidity. Let's refresh. Profits are rising, already up $40. It's pumping hard. Now might be a good time to remove liquidity. Back on launchtokens.fun. Refresh. You're at $100 profit. I'm not sure if I should pull yet. Might wait for more buyers. Okay. Now it's pumping like crazy. Time to pull. Go back to Launch Tokens, Fun. Click the button, select 100%, and remove liquidity. Come on, confirm, and boom, I just pulled the liquidity. That's how you make a ton of money launching meme coins. To prove it works, I'm opening my Phantom wallet in 3, 2, 1, boom. $350 in my Phantom wallet. I started with $120. That's $230 profit from just one meme coin. If that's not proof you can make money, I don't know what is. You can make so much cash. Links in the comments or description. Like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram, and I'll see you there. Bye.